Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HAIKAL ILMAN bin SAHUDDIN. Today we're going to present our PBT1 for mobile application development. Here is 1.0 Research and Planning. 1.1 Android versions. Android 12 API 31. A significant portion of users are on Android 12, especially on newer devices. Android 11 API 30 still widely used, particularly on mid-range devices, ensure backward compatibility and performance. And lastly, Android 10 API 29, popular among older devices. Testing on Android 10 ensures support for a broader audience. 1.2 Commonly used device configurations. For high-end device, you can see here the configuration here, which use screen size 6.5 to 7 inches, resolution, CPU Snapdragon 8 series, RAM 8GB to 12GB. For mid-range device, usually CPU Snapdragon 700 series, RAM 4GB to 8GB. For low-end device, we use Snapdragon 400 series or MediaTek Helio series, and their RAM is 2GB to 4GB. For tablets, we use screen size 8 to 10.5 inches, resolution 1200 times 1920 pixels. For CPU, we use Snapdragon 600 series and Exynos series. For the RAM for tablets are 3GB to 6GB. 1.3 Key code specifications impacting performance and user experience. For screen size and resolution, different screen size and resolution can affect the layout, usability, and visual quality of the app. Testing across various configurations ensures responsive design and optimal user experience. CPU and RAM performance can vary significantly based on the device CPU and RAM, ensuring the app runs smoothly on devices with lower specification, which prevents lagging and crashes, which is crucial for retaining users on older or less powerful devices. Next, battery and power consumptions. Testing on devices with varying battery capacities and power management features is essential to ensure your app is energy efficient and doesn't drain the battery quickly.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MUQRI bin KARIP, number matric 13DDT22F1030. Now I will tell about how to create Android Virtual Device 2.0. Step 1. Find the device manager window inside the Android Studio. Step 2. Press plus and click on Create Virtual Device. Step 3. Select whatever hardware to use on. Step 4. Select an Android version to install on AVD. And step 5. Give the AVD a name to easily know what specs it is. Now for the 3.0 testing. The first one we have 3.1 Pixel 8 API 13 with version Android 7. Screen size and resolution is 1080 times 1920. Screen size fit on the UI scales perfectly. For the performance, works very well without having any lags issues. Responsiveness, great touch responsiveness, and input handling. For the 3.2 is the Pixel Tablet API. The Android version is Android 11. Screen size and resolution is 2560 times 1600. Screen size fit on the UI scales perfectly. The performance works well but with a little lag. Responsiveness, very touch responsiveness and input handling. And for the 3.3 is medium phone. The version of medium phone is Android 11. Screen size and resolution is 1080 times 24,000. Screen size fit on the UI scales perfectly. Performance pretty laggy to use and with a little bug issues. Responsiveness, very low touch responsiveness and input handling. And this is app test for the medium phone, Pixel 8 API 30, and last one is Pixel Tablet API. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is DOMINIC FAUZI bin ABDULLAH. My matric node is 13DT22F1156. Okay. Now we are going to 4.0, which is reporting. Okay, in this reporting, there is findings and recommendation. Okay, first we are getting Pixel 8, which is for API 30. For the findings, Pixel 8 apps perform flawlessly on the device. No lag and responsiveness in issue. For the recommendations, no change needed. The app is optimized for high-end devices. For 2, Pixel Table API 11. Okay, for the findings, while the UI scales well and overall performance is good, the slight lag observed indicate potential optimization needs. Recommendations, consider optimizing the app for the larger screens, higher resolutions, focusing on the recent lags. Investigate resource-heavy component that may impact performance. Okay, next device is medium phone for the API 11. For the findings, the app struggles significant on the device with poor performance and low responsiveness. This is a critical issue that could affect a large portion of users. Okay, for the recommendations, there are performance optimization. Optimize background tasks to improve performance. For bug fixing, address the minor bugs observed during the test to ensure stability. Lastly, responsiveness improvement. Yeah, we need to enhance touch input handling by refining the app's UI thread management and possibly reducing the complexity of on-screen elements. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.